So tonight I'm going on a date, kind of last minute, so let's get ready. For concealer, I'm just using my Lancome concealer in the shade 250, and this is where I put that. Now for contour, I'm using my Clinique Chubby Stick and putting this on my forehead and on my cheekbones. And I contour my nose. I've tried putting contour like on my jawline and it just does not blend out well. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I just feel like it looks like a harsh like brown line on my jawline. I don't know. So tonight this guy's taking me to a little local Italian restaurant. I'm so excited. In the past, before first dates, I used to get really anxious. You know, social anxiety things. And now I just don't get anxious at all for first dates. Because like when it really comes down to it, what's the worst that's gonna happen? And also it's just fun to meet new people. But first dates are so iffy, and I just think that they're more fun if you don't put any pressure on it. Like, if you just go with the flow, it is so much more fun. You know, I wasn't gonna wear eyeshadow, but here we are. So for my eyelash routine, all I do is I curl my lashes first, and I use this Tweezerman lash curler. Then I take this Lancome lash primer, can you even read that, and put a coat of this on and then let it dry. Now while my eyelashes are drying, I'm going to do my highlighter, and I use this Ofra highlighter, but I dropped it and it broke. I usually use my Becca Glow Glaze stick, but I am unfortunately out and haven't gotten the chance to buy more. But that is my ultimate favorite, and then this highlighter is my second favorite. I do love this highlighter for highlighting my nose. Now for lipstick, I'm just taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this is in the shade BFF. Now for lipstick, I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks, and this is in the shade Cookie. This color is really not doing it for me. I'm going to take the shade Cami and put that over this. This is much better. Now for mascara, I'm taking my Maybelline Sky High Mascara and doing one coat of this. I am really trying to give this mascara a chance, but it is just not doing it for me. Now I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. The wand is just so much better on this mascara. I lost my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in the chaos of traveling around the holidays, but I'm just going to take my Sky High Mascara and do my lower lashes because it has a thinner wand. And that is all for my makeup today. My outfit will be on my Instagram story, and the video of me doing my hair will be posted next.